Hello, today we'll be talking about how to find the inverse of a function, and this is in your textbook section 4.1. Let's get started here. Finding inverse of a function. So there are some guidelines to follow, and so let's say 4 of them. Number 1, substitute y for the function that is given, f of x. Number 2, interchange x and y. And y. Number 3, solve for y from number 2. And then the 4th one will give substitute y for inverse of the function, which is called f inverse x, like this. So these are the 4 guidelines that we must follow to finding the inverse of a function. So let's take a look at an example. So let's say our function is f of x is equal to 1/2 of x minus 3 over 2. This is our function. Now, following the first guideline, substitute y for f of x. So let's say y equals 1/2 of x minus 3 by 2. Okay, so now this will be y, and we are going to change x and y. So right now y will be x here and x will be y here, minus 3 by 2. This is the new equation interchanging x and y. So to solve for new y in here, let's just remove 1/2 from here. So I'm going to multiply by 2x, 2 on both sides. So 2 times 1/2 of y minus 2 times 3 over 2, cancelling all of it. So we got 2x equals y minus 3. So to solve for y, let's say I'm going to remove 3 from here. So add 3 here, add 3 here. So now my new equation for y equals 2x plus 3, which is number 3 here. And now this is our final destination to what is called inverse of a function. So let's put it up as f inverse x. And this is called the inverse of a function.